and girls. Sentences like the news dash true, the horse and carriage dash at the door, 15 minutes dash needed to finish the work trouble us a lot. When I was a student like you, I was confused, and I'm sure that most of you have the same problem. We have our concepts right, we know our singular number, plural number, verbs, everything. But this question, fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs, does not seem so easy. We always get one or two incorrect answers. Why? Because the verb doesn't agree with the subject and the subject doesn't agree with the verb. Today in this video, I am going to mention a few tips and tricks to master subject-verb agreement or subject-verb concord. Editing, omission, gap filling, transformation of sentences will be easier from now. My dear students, some very important rules for you. Rule number 1. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Examples: the quality of the mangoes was not good. His knowledge of Indian vernaculars is far beyond the common. The introduction of tea and coffee and such other beverages has not been without some effect. Now, the explanation. The quality of the mangoes was not good. I wrote was instead of were. But mangoes is a plural subject. Let me tell you, ignore mangoes and just think about the quality of the mangoes. I am specifically referring to the quality of the mangoes. Hence, the right answer was. His knowledge of Indian vernaculars is far beyond the common. Here also, I am concerned about his knowledge instead of Indian vernaculars, which is plural. Ignore Indian vernaculars and concentrate on his knowledge. Hence, my answer is is. The introduction of tea and coffee and such other beverages has not been without some effect. Why did I write has in the place of have? Because of one word. Introduction. The introduction of these three products, tea and coffee and such other beverages. My answer therefore is has in the place of have. Time for rule number 2. Two or more singular subjects joined by and take a plural verb. Examples: Bela and Neela are good at studies. Bela, name of one girl. Neela, name of another girl. Bela is a singular subject. Neela is also a singular subject. We have used the conjunction and to join these two singular subjects, and our right answer is are. Are your father and mother at home? Here also the same rule has been applied. Fire and water do not agree. Never write does not agree. Your answer will be incorrect. Fire one thing, water another thing, and we have used conjunction and. He and I were playing. Time for rule number 3. Two subjects joined by and representing a single idea take a singular verb. Examples: bread and butter is his only food. Bread, one subject, butter, another subject. We have used the coordinating conjunction and to join bread and butter. But after joining, they refer to one single idea, that is his only food. Time and tide waits for no man. Time flows, time passes away. Tide also flows and passes away. So time and tide waits for no man. And don't forget to add an S to the verb wait, because you are referring to a single idea. The last one. The horse and carriage is at the door. Horse, one subject, carriage, another subject. But I am referring to the horse carriage. One of my most favorite rules, rule number 4. If the article is used only once, the two nouns refer to the same person, the verb used is singular. Examples: the novelist and poet is dead. The president and head of the state delivers a speech. The novelist and poet is dead. Note, the definite article the is placed before novelist, meaning the novelist who is a poet is dead. The novelist himself is a poet. Therefore, we have put a singular verb is. The president and head of the state delivers a speech. Here, the president and the head of the state refer to the same person. That is, the subject is singular person, so the verb also is singular, delivers. Rule number 5. If the definite article the is used twice, two distinct entities are meant and hence the verb is plural. The honest and the benevolent help the society. Definite article the has been used before honest and before benevolent. The honest people and the benevolent people refer to two different entities, so the verb is plural. In the previous example, we saw a sentence, the novelist and poet is dead. So, there the definite article the was used just once before novelist, meaning the novelist himself was the poet. The novelist and the poet, they were not two different entities, but here the honest group of people and the benevolent group of people, there are two groups of people and these two groups of people are helping the society. Another very interesting rule for you, rule number 6. If two nouns are joined by, with, along with, as well as, the verb agrees with the first noun. If the first noun is singular, the verb must be singular, even if the second noun is plural. Let's make things simpler for you. Look at the examples. The house with its contents was insured. The mayor with his councillors is to be present. Justice as well as mercy allows it. Now, the explanation. The house with its contents was insured. Here, the first noun is house and it is singular. The second noun is plural. Even though the second noun is plural, we will only see the first noun, house. And since house is singular, our answer will agree with the first noun. Hence, I have written was. The mayor with his councillors is to be present. In this case also, the first noun is a singular noun, mayor, and the second noun is councillors. But I will not take into account councillors. I will only work with mayor. Therefore, my answer is going to be is. Next, justice as well as mercy allows it, a singular verb, and I will have to add an s to the verb allow. Allow plus s, I will make it allows. Don't skip the video, more rules coming your way. You will have to watch the entire video in order to understand subject-verb agreement. If you skip it now, you will regret later. So have patience and read along. A collective noun takes a singular verb if the idea of oneness is expressed by the collective noun. If the collective noun connotes the individuals of the collection, the verb must be plural. The committee has accepted his resignation. Here, committee means committee expresses the idea of oneness. Committee as a whole body, as an organization. I will not take into consideration the members, the individuals who are members of this committee. Here we have the idea of oneness. The police is after the murderer. Here also police as a body, not the different policemen. The jury have not passed the verdict yet. The jury, the members of the jury. This collective noun, jury, here connotes the individuals of the collection, the members of the jury. Hence, I have used have in the place of has. Rule number 8. If two singular subjects joined by and are preceded by each or every, the verb is singular. Preceded comes before. If each and every comes before two singular subjects and those two singular subjects are joined with the help of a coordinating conjunction and, the verb is going to be singular. For example, each and everyone appreciates Geeta's writing. Every boy and every girl was given a packet of chips. Next, every boy and every girl present in the school is management's responsibility. The verb is singular. The next rule, it's pretty easy. Two or more singular subjects connected by either or, neither nor take a verb in the singular. Either Rohit or Sohan is right. Neither of my friend tells a lie. A singular verb. We are almost done. Rule number 10. Either, neither, each, everyone, many a must be followed by a verb in the singular. He asked me whether either of the applicants was suitable. Neither of the two men was very strong. Every worker was unhappy there. Many a man has succumbed to this temptation. Rule number 11. Some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. The news is true. Mathematics is a branch of study in every school. The wages of sin is death. We do not say mathematic, we do not say new. We always say news, we always say mathematics. So it's very easy. Just keep this in mind. Rule number 12. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb. The Arabian Nights is still a great favorite. Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. The United States has a big navy. It must be followed by a singular verb. Rule 13. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. Example, 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. 20 kilometers is a long distance. 90,000 rupees is a large sum. 3 parts of the business is left for me to do. There is a business and 3 parts of that business is left for me to do. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the time is mentioned, always put a singular verb. 20 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 9 kilometers, 3.5 kilometers, no problem. Don't worry, just put a singular verb. 90,000 rupees, the same thing, 1 lakh rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, singular verb. Remember these rules, remember these tricks. Well done students, well done, congratulations. You have learned all the rules related to subject-verb concord. The concepts are clear now and I am confident that you will be able to solve the worksheet along with me. Read a few more examples from the reference books that you have at home. Now let's begin our practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Number 1. Half of the village dash underwater was underwater. Half of the village. There is a village and half of it was underwater. Number 2. Either Bobby or his brother has broken the glass. Either or and both nouns are singular nouns. Number 3. Neither Tinku nor his friends were found nearby. Tinku singular, friends plural, therefore the verb must be a plural verb. Were. Time and tide waits for nobody. Curry and rice is my favorite food. Time and tide, single idea. Curry and rice, single idea. The jury were unanimous in their decision. The jury. This jury, I am speaking about the members of the jury, the individuals who have formed the jury. Therefore, the answer is a plural verb, were. And there is another hint. See, there. T-H-E-I-R. So, there is a hint that you will have to place a plural verb because your noun is also a plural. The actor and the musician has left the stage. The definite article the has been used only once. So the actor, who is also a musician, has left the stage. Number 8. The king with his guards was slain. You can also write is slain, but your verb must be singular verb. The king with his guards, and king is singular. So don't mind about the plural second noun. Second subject guards. Ignore it. Number 9. Every shop and every restaurant was closed on the day of the strike. Every preceded by every, and there are two singular nouns, shop and restaurant. Number 10. The price of fruits and vegetables has gone up. Here we have fruits, we have vegetables, plural number, but I am concerned about the price of the vegetables. Hence, has. 20 shillings makes 1 pound. 20 shillings, amount as a whole. Number 12. That night, everyone of the boat's crew was down with fever. That night, past tense, therefore, my answer will also be in past tense, was. No news is good news. This is very easy. Number 13. Now, let's come to sentence number 14. The accountant and the cashier have absconded. The accountant, the cashier, definite article used twice. So, the accountant is a different man, the cashier is a different man. We have two men who have absconded. Number 15. The ebb and flow of the tides was explained by Newton. Singular, was. 16. Neither father nor his mother is or was alive. 17. 2/3 of the city is in ruin. There is a city and 2/3 of it is in ruins. The formation of paragraphs is very important. I am not concerned about the plural subject paragraphs, but the formation of paragraphs. Number 19. Man's happiness or misery is in a great measure in his own hands. And last but not the least, number 20. According to the present market rate, 12 dozen bananas cost 100 rupees. There is a slight printing mistake. I will rectify it. Thank you all and wait for my next video. This is Ma'am Show Me signing off.